Namaskar. Well, when you're learning a performing art, the most important thing is learning. So when you are learning it, you're basing your technique on observation. You observe something, you absorb it, and you keep it in your system. Now, in order to then relay it or to do so, you need to practice. That's why we keep on insisting on do your practice, it's important. Now, going to a class and doing a practice session with a group of people, to me, doesn't sound very logical when it comes to classical dance form. Simply because a riyaz or a practice should be between you and your dance. When the two come together, it's easy to reproduce what you have absorbed. Now, I would also insist that practice is something that will pull you in situations that are die hard. Sometimes when you're stuck, or when you're crossing a hurdle while you're performing, or you fall, or you make a mistake. If you have practiced, you would know how to get out of it. Performing art is very momentarily. It's something that happens. It's like a verb, right? So it's not a piece of painting that you can take home. The process of dance is what you get in return. So if you have done your riyaz or your practice, you know how to handle situations. The muscle memory of your brain and your body is going to support you if you've done your riyaz. Once you have control on what your content is going to be, now comes how you can multitask. How can presence of mind and you being in the dance help you to involve others who are away or outside of you? So if you want to absorb people and attract them to yourself as a performing artist, have a conversation with them, don't you think that when you know your content to the fullest, it becomes easier? So please, I would strongly suggest do your practice on a regular basis. As age advances, people think, oh, I've done so much of practice when I was young and hours of hard work. Now that I know the matter, I don't need it anymore. I don't think that's logical. Because with age, your muscles are also changing, your alignment is changing, your somatic cells are growing and dying out. They need to learn in a new way. Concepts like Pilates and yoga help you to make your muscles supple and get you ready for a performance as a true performing artist. Namaskar.